Zip files, Dropbox links, generic online galleries that are really hard to navigate on mobile, and then you wonder why nobody's buying anything from you or referring you. I can help you fix that. Like, imagine photographing someone's most important day of their life, and then you're delivering them a Google Drive link like it's your accountant. Your gallery is the environment where your work lives and is showcased, and it's at the height of your client experience. In fact, more often than not, I'm actually using the way that my Pic-Time gallery delivers photos. It makes it easy to download those photos on mobile, makes it easy to click on a face to find yourself and all the photos from that day. I'm using those things as a selling point when I'm trying to book a wedding. And it's absolutely a selling point that my leads and my clients love. Because the experience you're giving when you're delivering the photos, a lot of times that's like the last taste you're leaving in their mouths. And you can either build value or completely destroy it. And this is what actually caught my eye about Pic-Time and why I started using them for delivering client galleries. It wasn't just about having an online gallery because everyone's supposed to have one. It was about finding a way to raise my client experience, and Pic-Time did exactly that. And now they've got an even bigger update that's going to help with the experience, help meshing it to your brand to make it look really good, but not give you too much freedom, because y'all get a little crazy if we give you too much freedom. But you're really gonna love these updates, not just for you, but also for the back end, for the shop. The buying experience is second to none. So let me break down what's going on in Pic-Time 2.0 and how I'm using it in my business and what's actually beneficial about it. And of course, you've got a coupon code. You can try Pic-Time for free for a month, and then if you use my code down below, you get an additional free month if you sign up. All right, so first and foremost, it's the first impression. So you now have so many options for how you want the cover of the gallery to look. This is what happens when either they're clicking on their link on their mobile device or on a desktop or an iPad. The cover of the gallery is what comes up first. And now you have so many options, and not just static photos either. You can put video files up there, and you can put a barrage of images up there that are really going to engage whoever's looking at the gallery. It's going to be something that's a little bit atypical, so that makes it a little bit more eye-catching and it makes it stand out. You can, of course, change fonts and colors, but they have a bunch of predetermined brand packages that all flow together, because font psychology and color psychology is absolutely paramount to the vibe that you're giving your clients and to the vibe that your brand is giving off. I mean, if it's giving barn wedding vibes, but you're trying to be a luxury wedding photographer, that's not going to work out for you. But thankfully, Pic-Time has curated these beautiful packages for the gallery design that are going to help you elevate your brand with very little effort. And this matters more than you think, because that first impression is what's going to give that perceived value and quality to the rest of your images and the entire experience, and therefore you as a photographer. Now, as you scroll, you can of course break the photos up into categories, which I highly recommend. If you're photographing an event like a wedding, people can click on their faces and then just see the photos that they're in. They can also browse through, download, heart them, favorite them, save them for later. And then the big upgrade that's happening in Pic-Time 2.0 is the way that they shop. The storefront is unparalleled. It just looks so clean, so good, so interactive. And then people can see their photos previewed on the products, and they're able to see these wall pieces on a wall to size, so they can tell how big or how small it's going to be in their own home. Now, like I said, I don't think it should totally replace your sales process, but it just helps educate them on what's possible. So yes, can they order through the online store, which is perfect for guests, for family, for parents, but then for your couple, it's really educating them on what's possible and getting them to fall in love with all of the possibilities. And then that is what leads to better sales later in your handheld process, or leads to sales overall, even with the people that you're not doing an in-person sales process with. Parents and grandparents can easily design their own albums right in Pic-Time, and it's beautifully crafted, super intuitive, and AI based. So they're going to create something based on all of their favorite photos that looks really, really good, and then they're able to press order without bothering you at all. When clients can actually see what they're buying, it removes hesitation and raises your sales, especially when they can see themselves in that product versus a generic stock photo all the time. If you have not optimized the mobile experience, you're missing out. And you know what? I hope the burned bridges light your way home, because it's a really good way to make sure that you feel really inconvenient to your clients and to your leads. So the mobile experience with Pic-Time is incredible. Easy to download, easy to find photos, go through photos. The photos load really quickly, easy to save to favorites and then look at them later. Your clients are not sitting on a desktop computer looking at the photos. They're, out and about, out to lunch with their friends, showing their family, sitting on the couch, sitting in bed. And you want to make sure the mobile experience for delivering the photos is optimized to perfection. If it's clunky, you've already lost them, you've irritated them while looking at your photos, which is literally the last emotion you want while they're looking at your photos. And Pic-Time just does a beautiful job making everything mobile friendly so they can also easily share it online. Right now, a lot of photographers are doing incredible work, and it can be more and more difficult for you to stand out as a photographer amongst your competition. But one of the easiest ways you can elevate your value, your brand above all the noise, is to have a clean client experience and be able to present that elevated experience to everyone involved in the photo shoot or the event. You're not just delivering photos, you are showing everyone what your brand and what your experience is like, and showing them that you're not outdated. You're relevant, you're up to speed on all the latest tech, and you're doing it so that you're creating a better experience for them. So I'm curious, what are you using right now to deliver photos to clients when you're done editing them? You could tell me in the comments. Definitely take a look at all of Pic-Time's incredible new features. I mean, even without this update, again, I already had switched over to them. So this is just perk upon perk, and I don't know if you know this, they have a gallery migration service. So if you have a bunch of galleries over at some other companies, you can migrate them. They will migrate them for you so you don't have to do the work. And then you can elevate your entire client experience for your backlog of clients, which will put all of the photos and all of the possible things that they can buy right in front of them again, and probably boost your sales that way. I'm Vanessa Joy, by the way. I'm a Canon Explorer of Light, and I've been a wedding photographer for 28 years or so. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I've got a channel just for wedding photographers, so hit like and subscribe there. And I've got my main channel where you see tons of photography and business education. Definitely check out Pic-Time. You can do it for free for a month and then use my code so that when you sign up, because I know you will, because you will love it, you get another month free. I'll see you next time.